By the end of the video, we will know about how to calculate your JEE Mains percentile for 2024. Understanding your percentile score is crucial for evaluating your performance relative to other candidates in the exam. Let's go through the process of calculating your JEE Mains percentile. Understanding percentile score calculation. The JEE Mains percentile score indicates the percentage of candidates who have scored equal to or below your score in the exam. Here's how it is calculated. Raw score calculation. First, calculate your raw score based on the marks obtained in each subject: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. The total raw score is the sum of the marks obtained in all subjects. Percentile score calculation. The percentile score is determined based on the formula provided by the exam conducting authority, which considers the relative performance of all candidates. Steps to calculate JEE Mains percentile. 1. Determine normalization score. Percentile score. The normalization process adjusts scores to account for variations in difficulty levels across different exam sessions. The percentile score is calculated using the formula percentile equals number of candidates with a raw score equal to or less than yours. Total number of candidates times 100A. Text percentile equals frac text number of candidates with a raw score equal to or less than yours. Text total number of candidates times 100 percentile equals total number of candidates with a raw score equal to or less than yours times 1002. Example calculation. Suppose your raw score corresponds to 85 percentile. This means your score is better than 85% of the candidates who appeared for the exam. Middle content reminder. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Quick nutrition tip. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Important considerations. The JEE Mains percentile score is crucial for determining your eligibility for admissions into various engineering colleges across India. Keep track of official announcements and updates regarding percentile score calculation from the exam conducting authority. Understanding your JEE Mains percentile score helps you gauge your performance accurately and plan your next steps effectively. Stay informed and focused on achieving your academic goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Remember, consistent effort and strategic preparation can significantly impact your exam outcomes. Good luck with your JEE Mains journey.